we are on the road again. This time we're headed out to Sand Hollow State Park. Got a gentleman stuck on the beach. So hopefully it's not too big of a deal. The wind's been blowing out here today, so it's probably pretty soft, but we will take you along for the ride. Awesome. That thing's looking good.
Gotta love a fellow XJ, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
That's the goal, isn't it? Get them out.
That's right.
For
Gotta
sure.
hang on 'em a little bit.
Oh yeah. Those big old trucks weighing twice as much or more.
Oh yeah. Yep.
So
Don't take much when you get out there.
no, that's for sure. Okay man, have a good one.
You too,
See ya. So that's how some of the calls go at Sand Hollow. You grab a retainer on a credit card and you bust out here, and a good Samaritan and a good looking XJ gets them pulled out. But the goal is to get them back on the road again. So no skin off our nose, and everybody was on the road again.